IBM gaming is there, but it's a bit different from what they're asking in Capgemini or Cognizant, let us say Adobe also. Slightly different. Few things will match as it is. We discussed motion challenge in Capgemini or Cognizant Gamified. Here there is one thing called shortcuts. The game name itself are called as shortcut. In IBM, one of the game is called shortcut. Okay, so what is that? So the first one, so you can 6 mini games is there with a time limit. Okay, so one among that is called shortcut. You can see this is what shortcut game. Here also, what you can do now in shortcut game, a ball is there, again hole is there. You need to move that to the shortest way. But here, this is the diagram will be like this. Okay, but in between, for every path, they'll give distance. This distance, maybe distance looks same, but they'll give a number. This is 4, this is 8. 8 means 8 kilometers distance from here to here. 4 means here to here, 4 kilometers. You need to go for the shortest path. That's what shortcuts name. Next one, gridlock. What is gridlock means they'll give already one shape. They give separate diagrams. You have to click on it, right? You can click, that shape will change. This L shape, no, this one. You click, it will become right like this. You can keep rotating and fit that exactly in the given diagram. Already some diagram is given, that separate objects will be given. You need to rotate it and fit that exactly in the diagram. That's what gridlock. Shortcuts is okay, ball moving to the hole. Fine. Whereas next one, resemble. Resemble and gridlock looks pretty much similar. Okay, resemble, what is that, sir? See, left side one shape will be given, right side separate pieces is there. You need to fit that places so that, see, this is 180 degrees rotating. Left side below diagram, if you rotate 180 degrees means top will come to bottom, bottom will go to top, means entire upside should be blue, below should be yellow. Here blue, here yellow, here what should be kept? Yellow. Then that will be fine. Resemble. Left side there is something, but guys, typically what they're doing, initially they'll give diagram directly. Going forward, take this 90 degrees. That result should be there in your mind. They'll give left side some diagram, clockwise 90 degrees, right side should be equal to that. You don't know what is the 90 degrees diagram, they don't give an exam. There. You need to think that in your mind. Or 90 degrees anti-clockwise this diagram, whatever the result should be, it should be in the right side. You can, they'll give these three only. One empty place, one sky blue one yellow, one is half sky blue, half yellow. Okay, so you need to rotate and you need to fit, that's resemble. Three games, one is shortcut, one is gridlock, one is resemble. Next one, number bubbles, tally up. Okay, tally up. What is tally up? You know, okay, left side some values are given, right side some values are given. Which one is higher? That side you need to click. If both are equal, you have to click on the middle one. Right side, left side values are given. Which is heavy, highest one? That side you need to click. Both equal means you click on the middle. Equal button is here. You click on middle. And problem what you know, sir, adding sir 2 plus 4 plus 1 7 sir. But here entire dot they give into 2. Means 7 into 2 40. Inside 1 to 4, 1 to 4 summation is 7. But it's entire at the end they given into 2 here. 7 into 2 14 is left side. Right side 8 plus 2 plus 2. But this will take hardly 6 to 10 seconds order they'll give. Then immediately it will go for every game here time limited. Here every game in IBM is time limited. Every game. Here also seconds. What is tally up? Okay, so number bubbles. This is with 5 games. That's it. Number bubble. What is there? Below they'll give 45 as the target. Above they'll give put bubbles 5 into 9, minus 5 into minus 9, 5 divided by 9, 5 into 9. You can click on that. You will get the marks. They'll give a lot of minus 5 into 9. Minus 5 into 9 is 45. Don't click on that bubble. Bubble like it's like a balloon. It will come. You need to click on the right things. Then your score will be added. Number bubbles game is that. These are the 5 games. Are you getting the idea? Shortcut. The ball should be reached to the hole, respective hole in a less distance. Next one, gridlock. In gridlock, the shape is already given and you are ready to fix. You can rotate this. You click on right side, it will rotate and fit that in the right place. Next one, resemble is bit difficult out of all actually. As per the concept is because 90 degrees rotating, that all you need to keep in mind. But other one which is as per time limit point of view, this tally up and number bubbles will be too much time because hardly 6 seconds that calculation will be gone. Which is greater, which is equal or not, you need to decide hardly 6 to 7 seconds. Okay, I'll show you the original content now. Hope you understand everything. Right now, I'll go for the video. Yeah, you need to select that this is what main exam. So shortcut is selected. Right. Again, for every game, before you have a demo, you can check. Okay. Now you click on shortcut game. 7 rounds are there. Okay. Now I click on start. Initially, it will show demo. It will show what is this button, what is this. It will explain. In Capgemini or Ion platform, you need to practice, but here explain. Your task is to move the blue ball to the stars. If you do it in less steps, these 3 points will come. Great means 3 points, 2 points, 1 point. If you take more time, more distance, points will reduce. If three, no, become two, then it will become one also. So now this ball should move 3 plus 3, 6 steps. Here they given border, hardly within 7 steps you should do. You got 3 points. Now here, ball is here, 3 points here. So two is ball, it's three star. If you take more time, the star value will reduce. You can move from here to here or this path, or you can put it down. Give the path. Yeah, you can scroll down 3 points. You can see three here. Three distance again 6. Now within 10 minutes you got 3 points. So no sir, I reached the distance. Okay. And one more here. See when you reach the distance, minimum 1 point will come. All reaching that last goal. What is the goal is here they give three stars. Initially 3 stars. But if you don't do it in 3 steps, it becomes 2 steps. 3 steps, no, 3 kilometers. How you know kilometers? And you can see 5, 2, 2, 3. Those are kilometers. 5, 2, 2, 3 and all. This is sample. They are explaining. They are explaining that. In question itself, they are explaining what is what. Okay. And here, sir, this is called refilling related one. Above 110 is given here, no? When they given that 10, when you go to that place, your distance will be minus 10. Suppose already I travel 16 kilometers. When I go to this blue point, minus 10 will come. Refilling. So this is you just observe. Okay, this 2 kilometers. Now, what is your path? You need to move this ball to this three-star one, right? And the target here, you need to do it if less than with 3 kilometers. Finally, means 3 points. You take 6 kilometers up to that 2 points. Anything up to that you reach 1 point will be there, right? And time limit is there for every question. Below timer will be there. Below you have a timer. And now, yeah, first thing what you can do, there is a obstacle. You can move that red ball to down. Red ball down. Then what will be the distance? 3 will be added. 3. Okay. Plus. Then this blue ball. 2. Then 5. Means 10. But I went to refill. It becomes 0. 10 minus 10 it will become. Then here 2 only finally count. Okay. As it is done within less than 2, I'll get all the 3 points. Observe, they give a clearly mentioned refilling. This all they explain in exam. In exam itself, they clearly explain all this. Now, see this one. Yeah, you observe minus 10 it becomes, and then finally it's keep going. So you can see below timer is there. 2 minutes is the time for this question. You below see, sorry, 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes, how many you solve? That much score. Below you can see star is now blue should be reached to that. You have to create the easy path. Now okay, already see 14 within 14 be less than or equal to 14 find now is here. Blue should be is there. Among this red balls, there is obstacle. You need to clear it, right? So I can put that blue ball. Yeah, when it comes to this, that red ball down, this red ball down. So you see points right side also you observe that score blue color increasing. That is related to distance. Sir, less than 24 not possible here. Here 24 given now. Less than 24 not possible. 24 less than 24. No. It will be more than or equal to that. And this is not the best solution. This question I think they did in a lot or long part it seems. See, you crossed it. Here you got only 2 points. You observe clearly. Guys, see, previous question you observe, when you are crossing that, it will become two at the end. Not usually three, but whenever you cross the distance, it will become okay, 2 stars, then 1 star also. Now here refilling is there. Means you must and should go to that place. Plan things properly as if based on coming to the outline. And this question they didn't give the solution. It is taking more time. See, 1 point only got. Only 1 point. Only one. As proceeding further, they'll increase the difficulty level of the question. Problem is that now more obstacles, the diagram become bigger and bigger and bigger. So you may understand the procedure, but problem is the complication. They keep increasing the complication level. Okay, when you go, keep going. See, and they given 7 out of 7. See, 7 rounds, 7 rounds. Time is hardly 4 minutes only. In 4 minutes, you need to complete that 7. You just observe how the things are keep going. So you check what is the level of difficulty. It will keep increasing. And have an eye in the below. How many questions, what time is left over, what can be done. See, that's what stuck. And you cannot redo here. You have a undo fine, but the time is not saved. We can do undo. We can, when the question is wrong, what step is wrong, we can do undo. But problem, okay, here you can see undo button is available in below. But problem is that okay, you don't get time. Time will not reduce. Now only 48 seconds are left. And anyhow he is doing, he got only 1 point. It's see. Now 3 become 2, 2 become 1. Now finally he got 1 point. And time is 27 seconds only left. I think yeah. 23 seconds done, but got only one. So that's about shortcut how to do right different type of questions. 7 rounds there. Whereas next one, what about next one, sir? Gridlock already explained. They'll give a diagram in question. Make sure you can click on it and check that. Yeah, gridlock you observe. This is demo. You can click on it right side. That is changes shape. Shape is changing. You see that. Okay, you need here. You click on it. This is the shape. I cannot put it directly. You click on it. It will keep changing. Yeah, it's changed. So you can put it here. You click on that. It will keep changing. You put it back. So gridlock is a bit easy. Okay, already have a target diagram. It's initially slow, 3 by 3, then 4 by 4, 5 by 5. They keep increasing the difficulty level. One more click will complete actually. That's what the target. So now you can see below, okay, timer for 3 minutes here. Now redo tutorial, you can again practice. Now begin again. If you want to begin again, 3 minutes available. See below. You can begin the game and we can proceed. Timer for this is 3 minutes. How many ways all will check. As many puzzles as possible. There is no limitation of time. Sorry, questions. A timer is 3 minutes. Within 3 minutes, How many puzzles we are going to solve is important. Now, once you see this, yeah, 3 by 3, timer 3 minutes, 9 rounds are there, not as many possible actually, 1 of 9. They given maximum 9 only. In the bottom, you can see maximum 9. Now, see 3 by 3 gone, now 4 by 4. 4 rows, 4 columns. You may have some other point in your mind, sir. I'll do this way, this is better. We are allowing that it's you do anyway. Why only below they kept, sir? I can keep above. It's your wish. Only target is you need to fill that entire diagram. You do in your different styles. You up to you. Yeah, they can put that right left side, this is right side. Now 3 of 9. Time is only 2 minutes left. We have 6 games yet to complete. This diagram. Time limited. 3 minutes 9 means 20 seconds for each. We can consider timer 1 minute 40 seconds. 100 seconds available. 5 of 9. Again, 4 completed so far. When you have separate pieces, it's a bit advantage. Entire right side column they can keep and they can put that L here, right side column. This one they can convert and put here and here to empty slots. They can still unlock only fifth one. And that's what last column. These two dots in between can be arranged by the. Now 44 seconds left, still 4 more available. Now see difficulty. 3 by 3, 4 by 4, now 5 by 5. 5 rows and 5 columns later, one enter. Check this 20 seconds, 25 seconds. Timer in exam. Very much we call it. 14 seconds, 13, 11, fine. So 6 completed. This is the seventh one. Now see 5 by 5. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second out. Imagine an exam when there is time, okay, have BP, sugar tablets, everything. Right. Now, resemble is what bit typical, my dear. Resemble is the one which is everybody will be difficult. Resemble you observe because we need to look. They'll give demo for everything demo available. See, rotate 180 degrees mean this shape above blue, below yellow required. You have those 4 boxes above, below yellow, both yellow. Right. So then okay, fine. So practice. Now 90 degrees rotating means one to the right side will come. 90 degrees rotate means yellow should be here, blue should be here, this blue should go to that corner. You observe 90 degrees means one shift will happen. 90 degrees means one shift. Yeah, yellow there, blue there, one more blue in corner, diagonally, diagonally. Yeah, now you put that and keep clicking on that, it will change. You require. Now this is what the okay, 3 minutes uh, time limit, but you have as many puzzles as possible. You have to cover as many as possible. Now this is direct one. There is no problem. You put there and keep clicking on it. It will change. Okay. After again click on it. It will change. You can click on it and change. This is 90 degrees left side. Yellow should come down. Blue should be here. Left side one position. No, blue should be right side. Yeah, bottom right. Yellow should be bottom. Yellow should be bottom left. Perfect. Now 180 degrees means okay, two steps. This yellow should come to this corner. This yellow will go to the corner. Corners yellow. Yeah, this is not problem. This corner yellow, this corner yellow. Right side corner also yellow. Now this should go to that. See that? This also need to be changed. Now this is direct one. This is direct one object of rotation, nothing. Bottom right side, okay. Then half of this. You can click on it, keep clicking on it, it will rotate as per the requirement. See, timer 1 minute 18 seconds left. Still four games only completed. Now rotate right 180 degrees. That yellow should come to this bottom. This should go to this. This should go. This should be there. Oh, now the shapes are nine. Previously four boxes, now nine boxes. They keep make it complicated when you keep going on. When you score more and more, they'll make it complicated. 90 degrees rotation should be happened. Now nine boxes to be filled. Resemble is what I feel okay. Bit difficult compared to all other. This corner should come to this corner. 90 degrees rotate means one step. This will come to this way, sorry, not corner also here. 90 degrees right side rotation, left side rotation. Only 12 seconds left. 10 seconds. 9, 5, 4, 1. 1 second left. Problem. Resemble find. See, game is only for 3 minutes. You can practice before fine. Number bubbles, how to do number bubbles? What's the method number bubbles means? They'll give a target number, adding or multiplying or subtracting. You have to find that number. See here, target is 5. They'll see some bubbles. You click on that which is equal to 5 only. So bubble will be displayed. Yeah. 2 plus 3, 3 plus 3. You click on that will display only for 6 seconds or something like that. See, 10 required. Bubbles will be displayed. You need to click on the respective. But don't expect only two bubbles. Complicated going forward, five bubbles, six bubbles. When you keep going, they'll give more bubbles at a time. In hurry, we'll click 3 as 3 plus 1 also. So below they'll mention timer, 6 seconds, 5 seconds. Yeah. Now 7. Next. Below, if you observe, any bubble will available only for 4 to 5 seconds only. 3 minutes, how many can we'll see? Yeah, 10 rounds are there. 10 rounds now. They keep clicking on the things. After some time, okay, you'll click every balloon. That will happen. Okay, we'll click on every bubble. Initially, okay, slow phase 3, 3 coming. Next, 5, 5, 10, 10 at a time. And it's available only for certain limited time. The second target is this. 2 more seconds, second target. Yeah, fine. Next, third target. 13 is the target now. Wrong. We'll be in that flow, we'll click everything. That's 9 plus 4, 9 into 4, it's actually the 1 second. Next target. Target change 6. The bubble won't be stay for much time. So it's gone. Minus 6 even as 6. Yeah, 2 seconds. Gone. Next target. 10 targets like that. Now target 30. See, now more bubbles are coming. More. It keep adding. Every target staying for 20 seconds here. Now after certain time, as I mentioned, they'll click everything. Now see, 24. Now he is clicking everything. He'll keep going back. 24 minus 16. Now when you go next level, numbers are bigger. Negative, all this will come into picture. See, plus 60 also is clicking. Everything after a certain time will get confirmed. More targets at a time will get confusion. Yes, 50 minus 1. Maybe by the end of this exam, your laptop will be broken. It will be out. This is at least bit better than tallyup. Tallyup will be less. But one drawback for they're not when you click on wrong one, their marks are not reduced. When you click on wrong one, marks are not reduced. But what is the problem if suppose you click on everything, a bubble which is wrong one, if you don't click, score will be added. A wrong bubble which is not related, if you don't click on it until it's gone, okay, then you will get score for that also. It's not only right one, wrong one, not clicking also score will be there. Some people say, sir, whatever come, I keep clicking, score is not changing. So, just skip that wrong one, then you will get score. Now, tallyup is again the headache because of timing issue. Now, they'll say higher one you have to select, guys. If it has no equal one, okay, both are equal, means click on middle. Here, which side is higher? Which side is higher? Left side. Click on left side. Both are equal, means click on middle. That's it. 4 seconds only time. 4 seconds only time. Here, four given clash means that's not counted. 4 seconds. Now here double 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Here 5 equal. 4 seconds. You see the timer below 4 seconds is there. 4 seconds. Higher side you need. Yeah, now willing to begin. Yes. Okay. 35 rounds. First round out. Bigger side. 4 seconds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, is 4 seconds. Initial they'll give easy one. Now numbers are increasing. They do into 2 divided by 2 all. Now 5 numbers at a time. 2 numbers, 3, 4, 5 up. Now that 4 clash out. 4 seconds. Now see 2, 2 into 2. Now here 4 not there into 2. It's obviously into 2. Dots into 2 is given. Sometimes entire box into 2 will be given. That also need to take. All numbers into 2 also will be there. Which side higher need to point. Now see here entire left side, entire box into 2 given. Here right side entire box into 2 is given. Into 2 left side entire box given. Into 2 for entire. We need to see right side entire into 2. Wrong. This is okay, fine. Again coming down back. But still 4 seconds. 8 left side. Here entire into 2 is there. Still 6 rounds. Time up. This here entire into 2, entire into 2, right and left. Here six. This tallyup is a bit difficult out of all whatever time point of view actually. Timing point. Done.